Good morning to Mrs. Veena Kulkod, a very important person of today, and good morning to my friends of Thane Zone who associated with me when I was Deputy Zonal Head, Zonal Office Thane. When Mrs. Neeta Shetty sent me a message that Mrs. Veena Kulkod is retiring on 31st August, my immediate feeling was I could not believe, as Mrs. Veena Kulkod does not look so. Nevertheless, retirements are decided on the day we join in service. So accordingly, Mrs. Veena Kulkod is attaining the age of superannuation on 31st August. If I have to share my experiences with Mrs. Veena Kulkod, it started in the year 2009 when I was heading IC Colony Borivali branch. I had called her and inquired about Sri Ragan Swami Mat, and she immediately said that the nearest mat is in Jogeshwari. That's how I got the contact with Mrs. Veena Kulkod for the first time. Then we again met in 2015 when she joined at Zonal Office Thane, having been transferred from Ghatkopar branch. She was given inspection and audit division at the Zonal Office, and she has handled it very admirably. Be it a lodgement of RBIA reports, concurrent audit reports, statutory audit reports, LFAR reports, and special reports. She has involved very keenly and ensured that the reports are lodged well within time, and Zone was always in the limelight with regards to housekeeping. And she was convener for organizing quarterly meets for the concurrent auditors, and she has handled the meets very professionally, and the proceedings were conducted in a very nice manner. She was part of the think tank team for execution of tasks for the various business meets, and she played a very important role in all these conferences and business meets. If I have to describe the personality traits of Mrs. Veena Kulkod, she is good at conduct, character, commitment at work. Another good quality Mrs. Veena Kulkod has is she has tremendous knowledge and burning desire to excel in whatever work she is assigned. Mrs. Veena Kulkod, I cherish our association very well, and if I have to say, it was the golden period as far as the inspection and audit division was concerned. Even with regards to collection of seepage of income, ours was the very prominent zone in elimination of long outstanding seepage income entries. All credit goes to her, and inspection department was always the flag bearer in concluding the various tasks involved. Mrs. Veena Kulkod is going to start an altogether new journey post-retirement. Madam, I wish you all the best in your second innings. It is time that you have to devote more time to your family and friends. So enjoy your post-retirement life, and we welcome you with family to our house in Bangalore. I pray Almighty to give you and your family the best of health, happiness, peace and prosperity. All the best to you, Mrs. Veena Kulkod. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Manali and here I am wishing Veena ma'am a very happy, healthy and prosperous retired life. I had opportunity to work with Veena ma'am and I learned so many things from her. I really thank you for all the guidance, all the moral support you have given me ma'am. Wishing you once again, wishing you a very happy retired life. Bye, take care ma'am.
Good morning, Veena madam. Wish you a happy, peaceful, healthy, contented, retired life. All the best for your second innings.
Hi Veena madam, wish you all the very best for your second innings and have a healthy, contented and a peaceful retired life. Hi.
Hello Veena ma'am, you are such a gifted and creative person in my life whom I see as my mother as and my inspiration. On eve of your retirement, I with my family wish you with a many happy, healthy and wealthy retired life. Thank you.
Dear Veena, I have always appreciated your strong willpower and determination and the leadership qualities you possess. Wishing you a happy and contented second innings. May God bless you with good health, success, happiness, prosperity and peace in the coming years. God bless you always.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, let me congratulate and thank Neeta for having taken this initiation of bidding farewell to our very dear friend Veena. Veena, my association with Veena is since 2015. If I can describe Veena in 3 words, she is very friendly, very active, and evergreen. She can mingle with any age group very easily, whether it is official work, banking activities, or outside the banking activities. She is always there and always a helping hand for everyone. When I was in Thane, she was taking care of inspection and audit division. Many branch managers used to tell me, Madam, bahut danti hai. But once the work is over, once the inspection report is lodged, same people used to tell me that Madam has given a lot of hand holding and guidance. That is the nature. She wants the work to be get it done, and she, at the same time, she always gives a hand holding. As always, I say, retirement and the date of joining, both are very memorable days in anyone's professional life. So really, I again thank Neeta and all the team members for making this event memorable for our dear friend Veena. Veena, I wish you a very happy, healthy and contented retired life. Thank you.
Hi, Veena madam. Wish you happy, healthy and peaceful retired life.
हाय वीणा, आज कॉरपोरेशन बैंक के सबसे सुंदर और सबसे यंगेस्ट लड़के का रिटायरमेंट हो रहा है। हम तो बिलीव ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि तू अभी रिटायर हो रही है। और एक 2 शब्दों में तेरे बारे में बोला जाए तो वीणा इज़ अ परफेक्शनिस्ट और वेरी अप टू डेट। चाहे वो तेरा काम हो या कुछ भी हो, तेरा अपीयरेंस हो, कुछ भी हो, तू एकदम परफेक्ट है और एकदम अप टू डेट रहती है। सुबह जब तू आती है और शाम को जब ऑफिस से चली जाती है तो हमको ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि तूने इतना काम किया है और तू घर जा रही है करके। सुबह जितना फ्रेश तू रहती है वही उतनी ही फ्रेश या उससे ज़्यादा ही फ्रेश तू घर जाने का टाइम दिखती है। तो वो रात जो है ना, वो हम सबको बता और तू ऐसे ही रहे। और तेरे बारे में बहुत सारा कुछ बोलने के लिए बहुत अच्छाई है तुझ में है। तू सबको बहुत हेल्प करती है, लेकिन तुझे मैं एक ही सजेस्ट करती हूँ या मेरा एडवाइस करके सोच, तू जो भी इतना सब करती है ना, तेरा एक ही अगर तू बदलेगी, वो जो है तेरे नाक का थोड़ा सा गुस्सा जो है ना, वो थोड़ा सा कम कर। तो तू इतनी अच्छी है ना, तू सबको समझ लेती है, लेकिन जब गुस्सा आता है तब तू कुछ भी किसी का भी नहीं सुनती है। तो वो एक मेरा सजेशन मान। और मैं तेरे बारे में एक्चुअली मैं इतना तूने मुझे हेल्प किया है ना, वो मैं कभी नहीं भूल पाऊँगी। जब मैं नालासोपारा ब्रांच हेड थी और मुझे बहुत सारे फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स थे, तब तू ही अकेली थी जिसने मुझे बोला था तू वो सब छोड़ और थाने में शिफ्ट हो जा। और मैं तो इतना डर रही थी कि पूरा फैमिली लेके रिलोकेट होना इतना इजी नहीं था मेरे लिए, लेकिन तू जो थी उसने मुझे बहुत हिम्मत दी कि नहीं कैसे भी कर, तू एक बार तू शिफ्ट हो जा, बाद में तू ठीक ठाक हो जाएगी। और मैं वो कभी नहीं भूलूँगी, क्योंकि जब मैंने थाने में शिफ्ट किया तो मेरे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम ख़त्म ही हो गए थे। और मैं आज जो हूँ, ये जो मेरे रिटायरमेंट के टाइम जितना खुशी से मैं रह रही थी, और आज आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट भी जो अच्छा से मैं थाने में परमानेंटली रहने को आई हूँ, वो सिर्फ तेरे वजह से है। तो इसके लिए मुझे बहुत बड़ा बिग थैंक यू टू यू। और अभी तू रिटायर हो रही है तो तेरे लिए भी आगे की ज़िंदगी के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट। और तू ऐसे ही खुश रहे, ऐसे ही सुंदर रहे, और कभी भी मिलते हैं। मुझे एक्चुअली तेरे रिटायरमेंट पे आने का था, लेकिन तुझे मैंने बोला मैं किसी चीज़ से कारण की वजह से नहीं आ पाई। लेकिन तू ये मत सोचना कि मैंने तुझे छोड़ दिया है, तेरे से तेरा बड़ा पार्टी बाकी है और मैं वो तेरे से ले ही लूँगी। तो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर रिटायर लाइफ, मीना।
Hi Veena, how are you? Can't believe that you're 60 now. Friends, I have known Veena since 2007. Veena madam is known to be a very tough taskmaster, but she also has a very humane and caring side towards her. In fact, she was the one who has really pushed me to take my Scale 2 and Scale 3 promotions. Veena, I wish you a very peaceful, happy and healthy retired life. Please do visit me whenever you are in Bangalore. Bye Veena, take care.
Namaskara Veena madam. I thank you very much for your help and cooperation to me during our tenure in AR Street, Mumbai and Zonal Office Thane of Corporation Bank. Red salute for your human service as a trade union leader in the CBOO for the members of officers community. Your hard work, dedication and commitment to the cause is commendable, and I wholeheartedly appreciate that. Your services as a senior manager level in Corporation Bank and chief manager in Union Bank is commendable and is worth recognizable by one and all. Lastly, I pray to Raghavendra Swami जी, जिनकी आप भक्त रही हैं और उनकी सेवा में आप अपना समय हर समय बिताती है। ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ರಾಯರ್ ಆರಾಧನೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಜೋಗೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸೇವೆ ರಾಯರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರಾಯರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದೇ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಕಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಅವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ತಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂತರ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಸೇವೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಬಲ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ವೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ, ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟೆಡ್ retired life. Dhanyawad.
There is many things to be said about Veena ma'am, and I know many will say that she's a good administrator, she's a very wonderful worker, and she had done a great job in our Corporation Bank and now Union Bank of India. But something which I have observed particularly about ma'am is when I compare ma'am with Devi, so I found her as a Durga Ma, who is known for her different forms. As a mother, as a friend, as a daughter, we will find Durga Ma in every roop. So I have found ma'am in every roop. Whenever I have been in emotional crashes, ma'am has come forward and has guided us like her senior, like our senior. As a mom, she has given beautiful advice at personal level also, and as a friend also she had chit chat. In work she has helped me tremendously. She was always dated and with the clean kind of record. And apart from that, I have found ma'am in form of daughter also. Sometimes she does that kind of she cracks that kind of jokes also. So ma'am, thank you very much to coming in our life, and on behalf of everyone, I wish you you know beautiful, wonderful, happy and healthy retired life. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi Veena, how are you? Congratulations on your retirement on superannuation. On this special day, you deserve the best farewell forever. May you enjoy every moment of this journey of your life. Have a wonderful time with your family and friends. I want to say at this moment, we had a great time when we were in a union activities. There are many reasons for me to be thankful to you on this day. Thank you for always leading us from the front, my lady boss. And you will be missed for your loyalty, dedication, and honesty. I again wish you a happy, healthy, contented retired life. Take care, dear.
Congratulations, Veena Madam, on successful completing the tenure with the band. I wish you a very happy, healthy, and peaceful retired life.
Namaskar, Unionites. Today our Veena Madam is getting retired on superannuation. I had an opportunity to work with the Madam at the Journal Office Thane when she was heading Inspection Department. She brought laurels to the department. Whenever there is a review from the top management, she ensured there is a nil pendency as far as the Inspection Department is concerned. She also ensured many awards and uploads and certifications to all the branch heads in the zone. Really, she is an inspiration to me, especially in communication skills, the body language uses, and of course the voice modulations. Really, ma'am, we are missing you from the bank. Of course, we'll be in touch. Please try to help all our colleagues who are stuck at any point of time, and take care of yourself and your family. Be safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much, and all the very best for your second innings. Thank you.
Everyone, congratulations and all the best, Veena Madam. Thank you so much for your support and guidance always. Thank you.
Veena Madam, a young, dynamic, dedicated, determined, dashing personality. You are retiring, we cannot imagine. You look very young, and year after years you will look younger and younger. I cannot forget your support and help during my tenure as zonal head in Thane zone. You are very active in union also. We used to quarrel also, but it was only official, not personal. My entire family wants to remain indebted to you, Veena Madam. 4 years ago on your birthday, you donated blood to my daughter Maithili. You were the first among nearly 100 blood donors. You sacrificed your birthday that year and saved the life of my daughter Maithili. You were successful in your banking career and in your union activities because of the support and help from your better half, Mr. Ashokji. God has made a perfect couple. Myself and my family pray God, you and your family, a very happy, healthy, peaceful and joyous second innings. Enjoy your second innings. All the best, Veena Madam.
Hello Veena. We first met on 6th March 1993. I remember that morning clearly. I asked you about the branch figures, Kalba Devi branch, and you gave them away as if you were the branch head. I was really dumbstruck. Then the next thing that I noticed in a couple of weeks after that was your sense of dressing, which I'm sure everyone is going to talk about. Veena, the thing is, it is not just about putting up a show, but knowing the kind of challenges you have faced in your life. It really means a lot to show up well dressed over and over again without letting anything disturb your composure and I salute you for that. We have been together through a lot, and I want to continue that. Happy 60th birthday, Veena. I'm not going to talk about your retirement because you may stop going to work, but you're not going to retire. Happy birthday once again, and happy togetherness. I'm so proud to have you as my friend. Thank you, Veena.
Hello, Veena madam. Wish you happy, healthy, and joyful retired life. Really, it was very nice to work with you in Thane Zonal Office. Only one thing I can say is you're very systematic and you're always keeping update in your department. Secondly, very most, you're always dressed very neatly and always joyful and have the same energy right in the morning as well as in the evening. I once again wish you happy, joyful, retired life. Thank you.
Madam, wish a happy, healthy, peaceful and contented second innings. All my good wishes to you and your family members.
Good morning, Veena madam. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. First of all, my sincere thanks to Neeta madam for giving me this opportunity. This is my pleasure to have a word with you on your superannuation. When I recollect our association in Thane Zonal Office, I must say, I have to say, thank you for your support, great support given to me, and made me very comfortable. Thank you very much. Whenever I say Veena madam is symbol of sincerity, punctuality and dress code. I always used to say, I never seen you coming 1 minute late to the office during my tenure. Even though you're traveling faraway places and taking different mode of transports. And second one, sincerity. You are the first person to start work at the desk. Great. And third one, I never seen you with a tired face and old dress. Always fresh, always smiling, and the same energy level from morning to evening. I don't know. While coming, with the same energy will come, and while going also, same energy will go. That's a great quality. Who banker requires with all three qualities. All these three qualities, you made a great contribution to the bank, and you guided and saved so many branches by rectifying their errors, great errors, and made them comfortable. And you enjoyed to see your zone in the top in your department. The great quality. I don't know how many people are having that the attitude now. That's a great journey ends now.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।